This video is on sums of consecutive integers. So the sum of 5 consecutive integers is 120. What is the third number in this sequence? So if they're consecutive integers, that would mean your first integer would be x. Your next integer would be x plus 1. Your next integer would be x plus 2. The next one would be x plus 3. The next one would be x plus 4. For example, if x is 1, you would go up 1 to get to 2. If x is 1, to go up to the next number, you would have added 2, because 1 plus 2 is 3. And then 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And that's 5 consecutive numbers in a row. The next thing you need to do is then combine your like terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 5x. Combine together your numbers. So that would be 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 10 equals 120. And then now what we need to do is we need to solve the equation. So subtract 10, subtract 10. That would mean that this then is 5x equals 110. We then would divide by 5, divide by 5. So I'm going to switch over to my Web 2.0 calculator. So 110 divided by 5 is 22. So that would mean that my answer here for x is equal to 22. However, they want to know what's the third number. So this is the first, second, third. So the third number would be 22 plus 2. So your correct answer is 24. Okay, sum of 3 consecutive, this time it's even numbers. So x, so our first even is 2, the next one would be like 4, and then 6. So to get from 2 to 4, you have to add 2. To get from 2 to 6, you have to add 4. So this would be x plus 2, this would be x plus 4. Combine again your x's, you have 3 x's plus 6 equals 132. So we subtract 6, so that means this is 3x. If you need to, go to your calculator and do 132 minus 6, you get 126. And then we need to now divide that by 3. So if necessary, go to your calculator again, divide by 3, you get 42. So x is 42. But you have to be careful because you got to answer what the question wants. And again, it wants the third number. So the third number would be 42 plus another 4. So that means that would be 46. Okay, 5 consecutive odd numbers. So it's the same idea. And odd works the same way as even, that you're going every 2. Example would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So to get from 1 to 9, you have to add 8. Okay, so then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5x plus, I've got to add this up, so that would be 10, another 10, so that's 20, equals 135, subtract 20, so 5x equals 115, divide by 5, divide by 5, 135 minus 20, divided by 5. 23. So that means that x is 23. They want the second number in the sequence, so that would be this one. So that's 23 plus 2. So your answer is 25. Sum of 6 consecutive integers. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6x plus, adding up all of this, so that's 9, plus another 1 is 10, plus the 5 would be 15, equals 393. Subtract 15, subtract 15. So it's going to be 6x is equal to 393 minus 15. So 393 minus 15 is 378. And then we have to divide that by 6, and we get 63. So that's 63. We have to divide by, sorry, that's 378, and we divide by 6 to get 63. We divide by 6. We find out that x is 63. And then we want the third number. So first, second, third would be 63 plus 2, which means your answer is 65. So hopefully this video helped with sums of consecutive integers.